Hi everyone, in this video I will demonstrate how to activate pulsing on your I-Gard command center. To start, let's make sure we are on the home page. Next, let's click Settings on the left-hand side. Now select Pulse Contactor Settings, and now you have the option to turn on pulsing. Notice when you do, the pulse signal will flash. Then you can turn off pulsing, and the pulse signal stops. This pulse signal is also available on the home screen, so you can quickly verify if pulsing is turned on or off. And that's all you have to do to activate pulsing. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. If you need any more assistance, please call 905-673-1553 and one of our technical support engineers will gladly assist. Also, visit www.i-gard.com and you'll find a ton of great resources online, including case studies, webinars, manuals, brochures, and much more. Thanks again for watching.